Priyanka Jeet Toshi in the black trunks representing Team Pavan Man, and Monica in the purple top representing Team Bharat Kandhare. And I was just saying a minute earlier that the air is a bit thick with anticipation and excitement. It feels like we've reached the main event. And we certainly have the opening night in this Kumite 1 Warrior Hunt semi-final. And now the stakes couldn't be higher for every fighter. From now on, these fighters will secure their finale spot.
Action!
So the pressure is on. Both fighters taking the center. You can see neither fighter wants to back down here. Both Priyanka and the Serpent Monica Garg are right in the center and a little tentative to start, but rightfully so. Both these fighters are good at what they do. They're both strikers, but Monica has the reach and the length advantage. Priyanka staying patient.
Action!
She's been here a couple of times before. She's waiting for that opening to counter as Monica sets something up. But Monica staying smart as well. She doesn't want to risk it so far. Good stepping in knee and immediately to the ground inside control. Now is here immediately body triangle from the bottom. Closes that guard. Monica on the bottom, but immediate. Just look at the face of Priyanka. She's absolutely relaxed. This is her bread and butter. She's completely comfortable on the ground and still in guard, holding down Monica perfectly. Monica looking to create some space and land some of the ground and pound that she used to finish off her opponent Kiran in her previous fight. But Priyanka Jeet Toshi is a different animal on the ground. You saw that in her previous fight where she comfortably submitted her opponent Hina Sheikh. Turning it around is Priyanka now, still in that guard, looking to lock up that body triangle. What that body triangle from the bottom does is that it constricts the breathing of the fighter on top. It won't allow Monica, but she's out of it right now, it won't allow her to breathe properly. And so far Priyanka is doing a great job. Monica trying to pass guard. But here's where it gets interesting now. She's not been able to land any offense. She's been circling around. Look at that. So creative. Monica looking at shoulder shrugs from the top position. It's the length, man. It's her length of her legs that gives her so much of leverage. And if she can posture up a little bit. Priyanka doing a great job defensively here. As Monica still looking for a way out, still looking to posture up and land some strikes. But Priyanka has got great control on the side. You can see her moving around, trying to get her feet to the fence. Try to reverse position here, but it's the base of Monica Garg. She's so tall, lanky and long. Now this is what I call a technical fight on the ground because she's taking her time. She's staying patient. Both fighters are staying patient. Great coaching by these coaches, Pavan Man Singh and Bharat Kandhare.
Short, red corner. Continue fights. Continue fight.
What is she trying to say? She's trying to talk to the ref here. I don't know what she's trying to say. Is she complaining about something? She's looking at the referee, but she better be careful here. Because the more, she needs to keep her eyes on her opponent.
Okay, fight, continue.
She's trying to say something to the ref. I don't know what they're talking about. We'll try and find out later at the end of the round. Just a minute remaining in this opening frame. Priyanka keeps glancing up at the referee for some reason. She's shaking her head. Monica doing such a good job keeping that top base. Again staying in the same position, referee looking on, landing some short strikes, trying to pepper up the body. You land those body strikes to open up the head. Priyanka still in the same position, trying to reverse. She looked like for a second she was trying to use her legs to push off her. But it's that base, it's that long, wide base that Monica has. She seems to be okay staying in this position right now, but she needs to get out of this spot because right now she's not scoring any points and Monica has spent, it's 10 seconds remaining in the first round, Monica has spent the majority and has majority of the control time in this opening round as we get ready for round number 2.
Stop! Fighter, stop! Go back corner.
There we go.
Blue corner, red
Both
corner.
ladies starting off. What a technical
corner.
fight we've had on our hands. She doesn't look in the
Corner
best
out.
shape. And whoa,
Fighter
whoa,
खेलेगी?
whoa.
मना कर रही है खेलोगी आप
Do I think she's saying what she's trying to say?
नहीं
She's telling that she's shaking her head saying
Fight over.
"Oh,
Blue
and
corner.
the referee's called it off. Priyanka Jeet Toshi has it's official.
ब्लू कॉर्नर गिव अप
मेरी रीच नीचे की बना रही है